Meta just announced many AI tools for Facebook users, and nothing looks new, but their availability on Facebook could be of some use to certain users. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. The first feature is simply named AI Mode. This is a standard chatbot that answers questions, and Meta even used the example everyone uses when rolling out one of these tools. The company highlights a person asking the chatbot for nearby summer vacation spots, and the AI Mode pulls data from across its apps like the groups and reels. So maybe the information provided will be slightly different than when asking about summer getaways via Gemini, Claude, Grok, ChatGPT, and all the rest. The company offers real perspectives and experience rather than a generic list of search results. And this is all powered by Meta's recently announced Muse Spark technology. The update also includes photo editing capabilities, as that's the other big selling point of these tools beyond find me somewhere to vacation. There are fresh collage cutout templates for altering photos from the camera roll, and new transition effects to create smooth, stylized video montages that are ready to share. Meta says it can whip up these videos with just a tap. Finally, there are new photo presets that make it easy to change your clothing, hair, and accessories with AI. Meta is pitching this for sports fans, so folks can easily rep your fandom and virtually wear a team jersey to celebrate, as nothing says true fan like a fake jersey. All these features are rolling out to mobile Facebook users. There's no word for a version coming to the web, but that would likely be difficult as computers don't tend to have a camera roll or anything like that. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.